Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change profile picture on SoundCloud. First of all, you can open the SoundCloud application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the library option at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you can just simply go to the profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and now you can just simply tap on the pencil icon that is below your name. And after this, you can see the profile picture. You can just simply remove the first profile picture and you can add new profile picture, and it is a way you can change profile picture on SoundCloud if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.